Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss about something really important, and that is the work-life balance in Big Fours or MNCs. Do we get the time to do our own thing? Is there any work-life balance? Like, is there anything at all like work-life balance? Yes, I do assure you that there is a work-life balance. I work in PwC. It's been 2 years. Touchwood, it has really been very nice. PwC has been treating me very good. You know, there are some hard days, as I've always said, because they are paying you. Okay, there are always gonna be some hard days. Depends on your projects. But as I work in my second shift is like my most of the calls are in the evening. So I log in after 2 and my shift ends at 11. So I have never worked past 11. So nobody forces me to work after 11 because my US counterpart is also very understanding in my case. But if you're in assurance, the thing is, I think it's different because I've seen some assurance guys working really late in the night and on the weekends as well. But as I was a chartered accountant, I did not choose assurance because I did not like that field at all because I knew there is a lot of rush. Okay. So if you are talking about cloud and digital or like implementation, I think you will survive. And there is going to be a lot of work life balance. On weekends, nobody will disturb you. And on normal days, I think your shift, which requires you to work 2 to 11, there might be breaks. You can take breaks, definitely, because there is a criteria that the work has given you on, like somebody has given you some work a day prior to your login day. You need to complete that work in your working day. If you complete it, if you complete it in 4 hours and 5 hours, 6 hours, it's up to you. But if you do not complete, basically they do not want you to, work whole 11 hours and complete the thing. They want you to just complete the thing. Okay. So you can definitely balance your work. So that was the one question answered here. So this video actually was based on somebody commented on my video, and it's the answer for that. Second thing, it's related to if like somebody is asking me, which is my senior, and they assign me some work. Okay. And how do we, deny them? Or how do we say no without being without sounding rude to them? It's kind of a trick question. You cannot say them, no, I can't do this directly because it will affect on your snapshots. And if you are working in Big Fours, you know what snapshots are. After every, you know, quarter, there is a feedback version kind of thing. And if you say them no, it might affect. Okay. But it should be very ethical. So the thing here is if my senior comes up to me and suppose I am 0.5 FTE in one project and zero point 0.5 in the other. Okay. So I'm only liable for the zero point 0.5 hours. So it's always, an option. If you are in two projects, you can say, I'm sorry, I cannot allot more time than I'm already allotting in this project because I have my, accountability in other project as well. I need to work on that project. So this is the basic answer you can give. Okay. Second thing, if the senior comes up to you, second thing you can say, if the thing is you have already worked on, you can say, okay, I can take a look on this one, but I might not give you the assurance to complete it. Okay. And third thing is analyze that if that is possible to complete within stipulated time or not. If it is possible, just do it. Okay. It might increase your credibility. And if not, just say it is going to take a lot of time, but I think I won't be able to manage this. So these are some easy answers to give if you cannot say no directly. And third thing is, which she asked was, is it easy to get promoted, or how easily can you achieve success in Big Fours? The thing is very subjective. It depends on how you perform on your projects. It takes 2 years minimum if you're associate to get promoted to senior associate, and it can take up to 3 years. Okay, because they have to promote you at some time, but the performance of yours should be really nice to get promoted in 2 years. The tier two, tier three rating, tier two and tier one rating should be there. And if not, you will get promoted in future years. I have seen some of them, get the senior manager role in 10 years and some in 8 years. So it just depends. And I've seen some managers for 15 years. So it really depends on your work. We can, work hard and still can't get anything at all. So I think that is all for today, which I want to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.